One problem you might be having is with multiple edges when you have your transition. So in my particular circuit, when it goes dark, the voltage goes low, and when the shadow is removed, then the voltage goes high. So I'm looking for a rising edge. If I come through just really slow here, the shadow is kind of approaching, but you can see that um, the light is being triggered. And why? Because it's almost as if you're getting multiple dogs going through and triggering it. So as I come through here, the penumbra of my shadow is kind of causing it to go up and down and up and down around that transition level. Now, what can you do? There's three different ways that you could address this. You can adjust your potentiometer level, your comparator level. You can also put a capacitor in parallel with your photoresistor. And the third thing is to do it in software. You can put in a check to see whether or not it's been a particular amount of time, so that if the transitions come one right after the other, then you ignore it. So those are three ways to handle it. So on mine, it will not work well. Oh, that one did. But if I, so it left. Okay, so now I come in here and you can see that the shadow is just kind of falling on it. And it triggered even though the shadow was coming in slow. So you can imagine the dog would come in fast, and that doesn't trigger it. Now, when you get a rising edge, it's okay. But you can see, like, when the shadow is really close, then you can imagine the transitions are going up and down and you're getting positive and negative edges.